Well, hello everybody. UJ's Variety Channel here, and today we have a bit of a weird experience I had with eBay. So I saw this if I go to eBay, and I come here, and I go to recently viewed items. And for some reason, there's this random, I've been looking at some baseball cards and coins, just stuff I'm interested. There's this random shirt here. I haven't looked at this. It says $27. I haven't viewed this, and I clicked on it for some reason. It was in my recently viewed items. So it's LuLaRoe Randy. I don't know, some sort of shirt. $27 with $4.80 shipping from Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. Seller does not accept returns. But it was just kind of weird because I never viewed this item, and for some reason it popped up in my recently viewed. And if you look here, very interesting. It's from a seller named Ursh11 with zero reviews or feedback or followers. And only this one item for sale. So I'm not really sure what's going on here. I downloaded a malware searching app to see if somehow there was some malware that was downloaded. And it doesn't appear so. It says that Numista could be malware, but it's not. I use Numista all the time. This is just they're just not sure. They're just warning you just in case. I'm not really sure what's going on here with this eBay seller, or why this popped up in my my recently viewed, because if you come back to eBay homepage, I'm not signed in, I don't think. Let me check my eBay. I'm not signed in. So it's no account. It's just keeping track of my recently views. So there's no other person that could have gotten my account and found this item right here. So very suspicious that somehow this would have came up. I don't know if the seller owner also happens to have zero feedback, which is very interesting. So I'm not sure. Let me just look. No. So yeah, I don't know. If you guys have had an experience like this, let me know in the comments. But this is a very weird eBay. I don't know if it's a glitch or this person, Ursh11, is some sort of hacker. But I don't know, guys. Let's look up this. Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. Never heard of that. But let's see where it is. Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. On the map. If you, this is somewhere in Pennsylvania, Berks County, Pennsylvania. Is Birdsboro a good place to live? It's not too bad. Well, there's some sort of hacker. Or something weird going on there, so. I know there's a lot of shady stuff on eBay, but this is probably the weirdest thing I've experienced. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.